How to change the alarm sound on your Android phone. Changing your alarm tone is a great way to personalize your wake up experience and make sure you never miss an important alarm. To get started, open the clock app on your phone and tap the Alarm tab. Next, select the alarm you want to edit. If you don't have one yet, tap the plus sign to create a new alarm. Now, look for the alarm name, ringtone, snooze, or vibrate option, depending on your phone's software version, and tap on it. After that, tap on Classic. You'll see a list of available alarm ringtones. Listen to a few by tapping on them, then choose the one you like best. On some phones, you can also select a song or audio file from your device as a custom alarm sound. After choosing your preferred tone, tap Done, Save, or simply go back if your phone saves changes automatically. That's it. Your alarm will now use the new sound the next time it goes off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.